Welcome to part 2 of taste testing these things. We have a verdict. I give this one a 7.
9.
Interesting opinion. We have this yellow one, taste test. Bite it. Good job. Don't choke. Don't do that. Lemon and I hate it.
9.5.
1. Next we are trying this one. I like to call this smushed strawberry.
Yeah, you said one was apple pie. I don't know which one that
It's
one
definitely strawberry. Maybe the red one, I don't know.
9.5.
7.5. We just tried this cookie with a brownie inside and I give
6.
it 7.